Hello and good evening. I hope you're well. Hope you had a fantastic time in Poland and you're not feeling too frazzled now that you're home. Assuming you're home. Anyway, right, we'll get on to check-ins. Apologies again, as I say, whenever I jumped on this, yours was the last check-in feedback that I had done last week, and I had only seen that it come up upload failed, which technology just does do sometimes, likes to be a little bit of a dick. So, tracked first half of the week, and then, of course, we were away. Scale weight sitting at 168.5. Prior to that, we were 167, so we're only up a pound and a half, but I'm sure you did go and enjoy yourself whilst away. A pound and a half is nothing. If we can get a week of consistency under our belts this week, especially in regards to nutrition, um, that will most definitely drop off again. And there's no doubt you're probably retaining a little bit of water there off of the back of the food that you did eat as well. No summary of the week for me, love, but we'll go through your biofeedback anyway. I know I've had the gist of things, obviously, from talking to you on Instagram earlier as well. So let me know where the head's at in terms of gym training. Are we staying at Coleraine Leisure Centre? Are we going back to Causeway Class? Do you know what? As much as sometimes I hate it, I wouldn't even say I hate it. I just think it's a little bit boring sometimes, but that's okay. We're going in there to train. What the fuck else are we going in there to do? But I do like going to a different gym on occasion as well. But look, the most important thing is that you're happy where you're training. Let me know your schedule this week, and I will do my very best to get in with you. And we'll go from there. So nutrition for the first half of the week, pretty average. Energy levels, not too bad. Mood, not too bad. And stress levels high, which of course makes perfect sense considering everything that was going on last week. I hope, after being away and seeing your brother and seeing that he is in better form than you expected, that has lifted a bit of a weight off your shoulders and settled you a little bit, obviously from worrying about him, and that stress levels have and will continue to lower as well. Fantastic 40 minutes of cardio in on Tuesday there. Steps are looking pretty decent, and it's great that you can do this, assuming that's the day you flew out. Steps are relatively high in general anyway, and they average out at over 11,000, which is fantastic. It's a really, really decent level of movement. And like I say, you're looking fantastic as well. So that wee pound and a half on was absolutely worth it and done you absolutely no harm. But yeah, we will want to sort of get back to consistency, get back into the swing of things. The most important thing, as I say, is that you're happy where you're training, and that we actually get you back to training, because I know you're missing it. And I know it's a big thing for you in terms of how you feel mentally, never mind physically. So yeah, that is my main goal this week, to get you back into the gym. Water intake's looking fantastic as well. Good job. Yeah, I'm happy. Like I say, pound and a half on, no big shake. Nutrition wise, where are we at? 17 to 1900, which is absolutely perfect. Gives you a little bit of leeway there. Like I say, this week it's all about getting back into the gym and feeling comfortable and confident to do so. So please let me know your schedule, and like I say, I will do my best to work around it and get in with you, and just let me know where your heads are at in terms of things, food wise, cardio wise, steps wise. Keep everything the same, and yeah, I'll catch up with you midweek as well, if not before. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.